It is an honor to represent Grenada. It has been a dream to represent Grenada. So I'm glad I worked to got this opportunity.
That was Remy Fraisse, winner of the National Brain Bee competition and now Grenada's representative at the International Brain Bee competition, carded for July. Having just concluded his CSEC exam, Fraisse, a student of the Presentation Brothers College, says it is a challenge. However, he is not daunted.
Yes, of course, there's always pressure, a bit nervous as well. Um, it was kind of tough to balance since I had CSEC. So yeah, I would still give him a best shot. I would never lose confidence. When I was preparing for the national competition, it was a lot easier, I would say, because you know the content is a lot easier compared to what I have to know now for the international one. So it was easier in that sense, and it was less content too. So no, it's just I just had to always be studying, always learning. Like you can never be too ready because there's always something new that you could learn.
The International Brain Bee promotes students' engagement with neuroscience through a three-tiered competition at the local, national, and international levels. This year's international competition will run from July 2nd and will take place in France, but held virtually. It will see the participation of more than 13 nations, inclusive of Grenada. Grenada's best brain highlighted some of the areas he will be tested on and explained further that in the live judging session, he will be quizzed along with the other contestants.
There are multiple exams. You have four main exams. You have neurohistology, that is like you're saying about the cells and the tissues of the brain. You also have neuroanatomy. You look at the bigger parts of the brain. You have patient diagnosis. Basically, they give you a situation where they will give you symptoms and you'll have to try to diagnose the person with a specific disease. And also, there's a written exam, which is broad and it's multiple choice. So that one is more general. And if I do good enough, there will be a next part, which is a live judging session.
Fraisse has been assisted by last year's winner of the competition, Jaden Stanislaus, as well as a physician, all part of his preparation tactics. Gail Blackett, national coordinator, stated her role in getting young Fraisse to where he needs to be.
We usually get all the materials for him for studying, the books and so, because it's kind of expensive. So we bought the books. Well, we bought what we usually do for the past years. We've been using the same book. So we usually, but I think they have some online stuff like that. And we were able to, myself and Dr. Tanya, together with Colleen, sat down and we created something so that he can have a balance for the studying of his exams. And I got Mr. Williams, Tester Williams, who is the IT for District 5. He will be working along with him on Saturday because Saturday is the first day of the exams.
Up for grabs is a trophy, 3,000 US dollars, and a chance to choose a university of his choice. Christina John, GBN News.